Let's make a green chutney lachapias. Exactly Daba style. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
Let's make this green salad together. Few cilantros, few mint leaves, quarter teaspoon of cumin, 4 pieces of green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of water, all onto a grinder and grind to a fine paste like this. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, fresh squeezed lemon juice, combine well and set it aside. Onto a bowl, fill with water, add some ice cubes. We need 200 grams of onions cut into rings like this. Add the onion to that water bath. Dip it and roast it for 10 minutes to become crisp. Drain all the water and ice, transfer to a bowl. Add the green paste we made. Combine well. Then you can see the salad will be disappearing like this.
This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.